guys, it's Chachimain and I'm with Hoy Clarice. I'm with her and she's my date for today and we're doing a photo shoot for, I don't know. Lika dito, hindi. She's camera. Di ba sabi mo gusto mo?
Pero hindi ngayon.
Ah, okay. Not today ba? Ano?
Not today.
Alam mo yung yung music video ng BTS yung Not Today? Alam mo yung friend ko? Meron silang ticket. Hindi ko pinakakuha ng ticket.
Kung wala ka nang
Kasi naman bad trip lang ako dyan. Pero sobrang bagal ng focus niya.
Hey guys, it's me, Chachimain. And I'm with Clarice. We're doing a photo shoot right now. And we really don't know where to go. Dahil hindi namin alam kung saan pupunta. At nandito lang kami ngayon nakaupo.
Ay, tignan mo yung kung si Michelle nag-chat.
Ay, oo nga. Titingnan ko muna kung si Michelle nag-chat and I'll get back to you later.
Ano na ngayon ang ginagawa ni Chachimain?
So, ko-connect ko yung ko-connect ko yung thing na to sa thing na yan. Then, thing na thing na tung, da. Uy! Subscribe kayo. Hey, it's Chachimain and now we're at Buffet 101 and we're having a dinner with our family. So, and wait, I think we're going to go and get some food right now. So, I'm going to catch you up later. Bye. So hey guys, we're going to Forever 21 and I don't know if we're allowed to vlog, but I think I am allowed. And wait, I'm going to take a pakabawal. So I think I went a little too overboard and I got two shopping bags from. So we're going to H&M.
What's up, Malcolms? What's up, Harold?
Hey guys, so we're here at H&M.
What's up, Mofo? What's up?
And I'm with my
My niggas.
My niggas.
My niggas in Paris.
And we're searching for
This nigga right here. Oh, look at the forehead.
Oh
Look at the forehead
God,
on this girl. Look at that shit right there.
Oh, yung kilig. They are ruining my freaking makeup.
Oil.
Wait, nasa si Aya? So we're searching for someone right now. And okay, wala ata siya.
Downstairs.
Oh, downstairs.
So English ako. Gusto pa rin
Sige.
Okay, right now we are on the way to my brother. He is I don't know where he is right now, but yeah.
So we just got back from H&M. That's Luis right there. And we just got back from H&M wherein we got kicked out. Ay, H&M ba yun kanina?
Huh?
H&M.
H&R.
H&M.
That is where we buy pizza. H&R.
So we just got back from H&M and we got kicked out there and we also went to... Oh my god.
Yeah, what's up?
So apparently, we can film inside H&M and we got kicked out over there. And we got kicked out there kasi nga hindi daw pwedeng mag-film. And yeah, sad, diba? And again, I am eating this thing. I don't know what this is called. But I'm eating this thing kasi masarap siya. Parang meron siyang egg, tapos meron siyang crab meat. Really good. on a plane. We are now leaving. Bye. Bye. We are now leaving. Living the life of a vlogger. And ciao.
Oh, hello. Hi. Hi, Cha-Cha's friends. Nice to meet you. Hi, nice to see you.
Chachi.
No, Cha-Cha. It's Cha-Cha.
No, it's Chachi Main.
She's very young. She's a very young person.
Bitch is doing that, son.
What the fuck, man?
What the bitch is doing that?
No curse words.
We out here, you know. Get jiggy with it.
O ano na yung accent mo?
Ay, sorry.
Get jiggy with the things.
Ano gusto mo sabihin?
Pagsandalan namin yun.
Ah,
Hi! Hello!
okay.
Eh kasi
You know the white, sexy white chocolate? He's beside me. The one with the white skin and fat cheeks.
Oh, that's me.
No,
You are not fat.
Yeah, because I'm tech. Yeah.
Oh, we gonna be famous, bitch.
Uy, bawal nang magmura.
I know, I'm so sorry.
You know, they keep, benefit, they keep on cursing and it's not allowed my channel because it's rated G.
Anyway, yeah, subscribe, like, or comment, or whatever the hell you guys want to do with her channel. I mean, it's her, like, it's your account, so do whatever the fuck you want with it. Like, you can even comment like something hateful, and it'll be alright. You know, in fact, I recommend it. You say something that is very hateful.
Damn, that's a lucky ass bitch.
See. Say something really aggressive. Say something really hurtful, and I want her to cry. I want her to call me in the middle of the night, crying her eyes out because you said something really shitty. That is you should do that. Yes. I'll expect that. I'll be looking into her channel, and I will expect that. So yeah.
Oh, pare. Shout out nga pala sa girlfriend ko.
Dali. Sige.
Girlfriend ko si John Hong.
John Ong.
Joke lang.
Paano na yung
Shout out
totoo?
din nga pala sa girl ko, si
Hello.
Julie.
I love my girl.
si Julie.
Anong girl? Parang side hoe yung alam ko.
That's a girl. Okay, so girl is basically
A girl.
A girl, basically.
Fine.
You call if she's not your girlfriend yet, and you guys are still dating, you automatically call her your girl because you can't.
This nigga knows nothing, man.
You can't say my date all the time.
This nigga
So,
knows nothing.
oh fuck off!
He's old. He just opens his mouth.
you don't know shit, nigga.
Sige.
Anyway, I greatly apologize for our shenanigans.
This is a crazy ass nigga.
Yeah.
He's just dope.
Yeah.
Doesn't know anything.
Fuck you.
About streets.
So anyway, yeah. Sorry.
Beverly Hills,
What the
California.
fuck are you saying? Anyway, yeah. Sorry about that.
And I think I'm going to end the vlog here because
No,
son.
No,
son. No,
So apparently-
Don't do that, son.
We can continue to the video, son. Right?
they are
So-
bullying
so
me,
we're-
right?
Yes.
We're at the parking lot.
We're at the parking lot and they keep on bullying me and it's really hot. Like me.
You're not hot.
I'm,
You ugly.
so I'm going to end this vlog here and
No, son. Nah,
Wait
son.
lang.
Nah, mate.
Ah!
No, mate. You don't do that.
I'm going to end this
No,
vlog here
no, mate. No,
at
no,
home.
You don't do that.
At home.
You don't do that. No, son. No, son. You don't do that, mate.
No, it's
Keep
not.
it here. You keep it here. Focus on your face. Yeah. You keep it here.
I'm like shaking right now. This is like a cardio for my muscles, and this is like weight because I'm so big. So I'm just going to end the vlog here, and may your day be.
Son.
And may-
You don't end the vlog here, son. No, mate. You keep it here. You keep it real. You keep it there.
So I'm going to end the vlog here, and may your day be as flawless as your makeup.
Son,
Bye.
You don't end it. You keep it. You keep it going. You keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going.
We're gonna ride the band.
Yeah.
Where
man.
we going, son?
I don't know yet. I think we're going
We're
someplace.
gonna hit the club, motherfuckers.
We're gonna hit the women.
We're gonna hit the weed, motherfucker.
So I'm going to end the vlog here, and may your day be as flawless as your makeup.
No.
Bye!
No.
Ooh! Saan ako po?
No, mate. Don't do that shit. In that shit over.
And I'm going to end the vlog here, and may your day be as flawless as your makeup.
Yeah.
Bye!